That's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, right?
Man, he's beautiful, bro. He's a beautiful man. I had no idea there's so many people here. God damn.
Check it out. It's Porsche Turbo S. Oh, look at that thing. It sounds amazing. I just love the turbo sound on that. We got over here. What's his name? Chris.
Hey, let's go with this. Hey, brand new day. What's cracking? Intro of the day.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Here we're at Premium. We got Chris Borges.
Chris Borges.
FRS right here. What the hell, man? What's going on?
Is that Kratom?
We're getting attacked in the middle of a vlog. I don't know what's going on with that.
Look at this. Is
But
this
check
Scion?
this whip out.
Is this Scion?
This is a Mr. Chris Borges' official build. It's a very
He's an influencer?
yeah.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, right.
Why do they do that, bro?
And guess what?
Wow.
This card's a part of a giveaway. They're gonna be giving it away soon. Are you gonna enter?
I'm gonna enter right now.
Yeah. Are you gonna enter the giveaway?
Am I allowed to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna enter right now.
Yeah, vlogging premium. So what's up? Tell us about Chris. Meet Chris.
Pleasure.
Tell us about this giveaway card right here. It's up for giveaway, right?
Not the other one.
Oh, the other one, the purple one. I'm tripping.
This is my baby, bro. I can't get rid of this.
Oh, okay. There you go. There you go.
Here for a second.
We're about to start disassembly on the Mustang. Get started on that. Yeah, brought the FRS. Boy behind the camera wrapped it too.
Yeah, that's the craziest thing. No, I haven't told him. So this FRS here was wrapped at another shop, and I was doing some work with them for a while. And yeah, I actually had hands on this wrap right here, which is pretty crazy. Small world.
Like full circle.
Yeah, completely full circle. It's here, back with us, back at Premium. We're about to do the Mustang. So,
Different car now.
literally, dude, it's nuts. Chris Borges Mustang here. Look at this. What do you think?
Honestly, this wide body kit is insane. Just check it out. It's got so many different curves. Honestly, I've never seen anything like it. My favorite part about it though is that it's bagged. He's running a crazy stance. The fitment is fantastic. It rubs all over the place, which is exactly what we want. Check it out. Camber, black, but we're switching it out. We're gonna wrap this entire vehicle. And are we allowed to say the color?
Absolutely not.
No, we're not gonna say the color. But you gotta watch the vlog, check it out, and yeah, stick around.
Tell us about this plate. Like, what made you want to go ahead and call it this?
Look at the car, bro. You gotta come to the rear.
Yeah, just like he said, use your eyes. Fool. What do you think?
Explain it, bro.
Bro, that's gonna be nuts, bro.
Yeah, bro, from the rear, I had to.
Yeah, this thing is insanely wide, bro. I wonder what people think in the street when they see it. Like, imagine just.
We took of this thing already?
Yeah, we just can't sit. Yeah, barely fits in there.
Uh-oh. Look who it is.
What are we vlogging today? What are we vlogging today?
in the building. We already got
Who are we
some
vlogging? Who are we vlogging today? What are we doing? Is he taking a car? We're putting him to work? All right, so I just got back to the gym. I'm trying to set the tone for this shop that they start getting back to the gym. Because these guys do not like working out at all, so someone's got to do it. They got you working on your own car, big dog?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Got the goosebumps?
Yeah, bro.
It's because there's so much static off that material. Hey, I like that shirt, bro. That's that official P Rally.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
How was that quarter panel install?
This one took me quite a bit because of the material, but the next one is gonna be faster.
You always feel like you do one side and then by the next time you're like, you got it down.
Yeah, It's only because I haven't used the material in a while, so I got to get comfortable with it again. So next time's gonna be faster.
Looks really good. All the corners, all the edges. I was, you know, when you're at lunch, bro, I'm over here critiquing everything, dog. I'm walking through. I'm like, all right. You killed it, bro. In typical premium fashion, not only are we wrapping Chris's car, we're also doing a t-shirt drop with them. So the guys are gonna give us our
Especially
approval on the
since it's
color.
like the same color as the tire.
There you
But
go.
other than that, looks pretty good.
Oh, you're
Camera, bro.
You're missing all the rap scenes.
No bubbles. Damn, where's all the bubbles at? Dang, they're putting you on blast, bro.
That's crazy.
You did a good job.
All right, guys, last day working on Chris Borges' Mustang.
Hey,
It ain't going nowhere, bro. Oh, man, it's beautiful, bro. He's a beautiful man.
Hey, they saw my haircut. They couldn't stop after that, man.
Mustang's just about done. All we gotta do is put it back together. So Chris came out today. One of the things I like, the reason why I like working with him is he wants to have his hands on his builds. So I think that's something to respect. You know, I work with influencers pretty often, but rarely will they actually come out, take a 2-hour drive from San Diego to Irvine just to have final hands on the car. So I appreciate that. And I'm sure the team does too. You know what I mean?
Just help you out a little bit.
Yeah, but the Mustang looks phenomenal. So we'll get into the reassembly. Let's get out there.
Why do you use snap-on tools?
This is a Milwaukee, but why do I use snap-on?
Yeah, I've noticed your toolbox has a lot of snap-on.
Because I trust them.
Do you like strap-ons?
Yeah.
Well, the Mustang seems to be coming together. Look at us, we look handsome. And then look at this, guys. Chris Borges is in the building. He just worked a full-time job. He came here to work on his own Mustang.
I'm not gonna like every clip of.
You're in every single clip, my friend. This is your vlog. This is your car. Dude, what do you think about the color?
It looks fucking fire. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm getting it appreciated.
Well, what were you doing the whole time? Not looking at it?
Well, I wasn't appreciating it because it's not together.
Yeah, no, with this wide body kit, it's just nuts. It looks like a Minecraft diamond. This guy's got diamond armor on. Yeah, no, but this car's looking insane, guys. You know, Chris is here. They're gonna stay late night to reassemble the whole thing. Back tomorrow, we'll go ahead and see the whole car reassembled. And dude, we can't emphasize it enough. Chris came after work, dude. Look at him, putting on wheels. Shout out to him. Well, check in tomorrow. We'll see this car reassembled. We got this whole driver's side on.
That thing is bright.
Oh, you know what it look? What color? What does this look like now that the white body kit's on? You know what we said? Minecraft diamond.
Yeah. Yes. I say Minecraft Diamond.
Like it has
Bro,
diamond.
I don't know what the hell Minecraft Diamond
I don't know what it is
bro.
either.
No, you know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
Now stop lying, bro. You just told me that you play Minecraft because you know what a Minecraft Diamond is. And now you're trying to backpedal.
I beg to differ.
You're trying to backpedal. You literally just said it looks like a Minecraft. I've never in my life, I'm a grown adult.
How old are you?
I'm 35.
And I'm 25.
You're a kid. My godson is 9 years old that plays Minecraft.
I don't play Minecraft.
You know what? If we were to go have dinner tonight,
We
you would
can
sit on
dude,
the table
I
with my
am willing
godson.
to bet $5 trillion. I've never played Minecraft. Huh?
Try 5 trillion diamonds? Is that what you want to bet?
I'll bet you 5 trillion diamond armors.
17 Minecrafts. Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Was it Minecraft?
I'm trying to. Hey,
What's the money?
look, I'm trying to get my mind crafted.
Chris, you play Minecraft?
I used to when I was a kid.
Do you play Minecraft?
But you don't know that.
When I was a kid, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What do you do?
Huh?
You play Minecraft, so you're a kid.
I never play Minecraft.
You're a liar. Then
I
how do
swear
you
to
know
God.
about diamonds?
Because I have Instagram.
You never
Social media. I've never played Minecraft in my life, but I have Instagram, bro. Like, come on.
I'm so whack, bro.
Well,
I think you guys are whack for playing
you're
Minecraft.
saying
Yeah, I think
I'm
you
whack
guys-
for playing
no,
Minecraft. Then
I'm
he's saying I'm whack for not playing. You're not.
No, I'm saying, like, the fact you don't know what Minecraft diamonds are is crazy. That's weird.
Oh my God.
I've never in my life. I'm a grown adult. Everyone
You're
knows
backpedaling
Minecraft,
now, bro.
I think Minecraft is cool. You don't play. It's kind of weird.
At the end of the day, guys, have face on Ozempic.
Yeah, birds in the trap, they gon' stink. Mara serving the act out of baby bottle. Don't tell me shut up, you are not my boss. Turn up so much now I just can't turn off. Don't call me back since you can't answer when I call you. Daddy was a rolling stone, I get it.
Boom. All right, welcome back to Premium, everybody.
Wait. Go.
Welcome back to Premium, everybody. Today's a special day.
Special day.
Special
No,
day.
super special.
It's a super special day. It's not
Beyond
only
special.
Saturday. It's not only Saturday.
No, for them, it's not. When is it? What
Oh,
is
yeah.
it for you guys? Comment down below.
Comment what it is. Chris Borges Mustang reveal.
It's today over here at Premium OC. Came all the way down from San Diego. A whole bunch of you guys came down from San Diego to come see your boy Chris Borges. It is dope. Let's get a little turnaround real quick. Let's turn. Let's show. Let's show. We're in the VIP section right now.
Yeah, we're in the booth.
We're in the booth.
We are in the booth.
VIP section.
All right, but as you can see, once I fix this, look, we got a nice little fleet right here. We got the Porsche, the M3, the McLaren. People are having a great time. We got a couple other cars. There's a lot of cars actually. If we make our rounds sometime throughout the video, there's a lot of cars parked here. There's cars parked over there. There's literally an aisle full of Mustangs. There's a bunch of cars across around the building. There's hot dogs. There's a DJ. I'll show you guys how the inside looks, but.
And there's Chris Borges with a sick ass haircut.
Yeah,
you guys
where
don't
is he?
know a haircut will bring up your confidence by 10%.
Yeah, so Chris is around. He's making his rounds. A lot of these people came. A lot of our people came. So appreciate everybody who did stop by. You know, if you see yourself in the video, comment. Be, hey, that's me at 2 minutes and 56 seconds. You know, I don't know, something.
But anyways, let's get around.
Let's make our rounds. Let's make our rounds.
Let's take out some cars. We got a cool car here with the I don't know, roll cage. This thing's cool.
Whoa.
Look at those. Look at this thing right here. So
You like these cars?
built by Sal. Sal owns this car.
Built by Sal.
Yeah.
Oh, here's Sal. Come here, Sal. Premium. This is
the
the premium vlog right here, bro. This is our shop.
about your
You got a
people,
dope build.
Appreciate it.
Tell us about your Porsche. No, I'm just kidding, bro.
I mean, it has a roll cage.
This is a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
Who wrapped it?
Tiny Bot.
Tiny Bot.
We got wrapped in Ontario by my homie Kelly Auto Design.
Kelly Auto Design.
That's
Okay.
Kelly Design. It looks really good, honestly. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
We're not haters at Premium. We're not haters. Look,
No, yeah.
look,
No, I have a
got
Beamer.
paint.
I've seen you guys work. I always see our next videos and everything like that.
Sick,
You
bro.
guys-
What's your
you got this
Instagram?
thing.
Built by Sal.
Myself.
So you built this, like yourself?
Nah, not by myself.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, this guy
Built by
builds
Sal
muscles.
Funded by Sal.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There
Hey,
it is.
built by
Yeah,
the
I
pop,
can
built by
tell.
pockets.
What-
Follow him.
What'd you do this? Like, tell us what roll cage, the wheels look
Yeah, so
sick
this
as
roll
hell.
cage is
Got Leslie.
It's made for a G80, but I made it fit an M340.
Okay.
It's not meant for it, but it worked.
The roll cage?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, dude.
So it came off a G80.
It is built by Sal. Right behind me, or right in front of me, is the heavy to modified heavy machinery. This is not only a truck. This is the truck. Look at those wheels. Look at that sticker. Built by Premium. Z71. That means you can fit 71 in there.
71 Z's in there.
Got an i4. Dude, we got a lot of cars. I feel like we could make an entire video just about the cars here. But that's too much. That's too much. We haven't even seen Chris yet. Videographers are pulling up to shoot the cars, which is always cool. The M3. Look at this, guys. You guys seen this on the vlog a lot. We got the M3 all dialed in. The reason why everybody's here is to go ahead and see the reveal of the car. So we have it tarped up inside. I showed a little bit of the inside, but it's really loud in there. I mean, you can probably hear it right now. So
He was stabbing out.
the car's under the light tunnel, covers over it. We're gonna be we're unveiling the car at 7:30. It's currently 6:42. So in about an hour, we're gonna go ahead and capture that reveal for you guys. For now, enjoy some cinematics of hot dogs. And look who it is. We got Debbie Deb. Mrs. Tangi has arrived. What's up, dude? We saved a spot for you. No, we saved one. We got one. Why did you need two? We are back in the game with Zach Attack. Zach, did you work on the Mustang yourself? Yeah, you did. You wrapped the whole thing. Shout out to Carlos. Carlos, you went ahead and did the wrap. Where is Carlos? He wrapped the car. He should give a speech about how hard the car was to wrap.
Probably sleeping, poor guy. That car stressed him out, bro.
Yeah, man.
God damn. All right, everyone, we got the man of the hour, Chris Borges. How are you feeling about your event, bro?
I was nervous, not gonna lie, but
You thought no one was gonna show up, and by 8:15, there's already like 200 people here.
yeah, no, it's a hella good turnout, man. Such a vibe.
How does it feel like you start? Okay, hear me out, right? You started with fucking 15, 20, maybe 30 views,
Yeah.
and now you have like almost, I'll say what, 100, 150 people here?
It's surreal, bro. It's like it doesn't hit like you see like the comments and views, but like when you see it in person, that's like a way different thing. So I love you guys. I appreciate it. I love Premium. You
Hell
guys
yeah.
are the best.
Appreciate it.
And yeah, we gotta do more events, bro.
We're about
yeah,
to unveil
there's
this
many.
in what, 30 minutes?
About 30 minutes, Daniel will be
It's
here.
already 7?
Yeah, well,
It's 7.
We're lying
It's 7.
a little bit.
So
It's
all right,
30
look,
minutes.
at 7:30, we're gonna announce that we're gonna announce to unveil it.
And
It's the announce to the announcement.
It's like when you go to a club, you want that famous rapper. Like, he's gonna be on in an hour. So,
Yeah.
You don't come
But
out
one
till,
thing
like,
though, I
2
do want to
hours.
ask this though, right? Look, so we're all about positivity. We're all about motivating, uplifting the up and comers, right?
Yeah.
So, what would you say to someone that started a YouTube channel that's scared to maybe do it on Instagram?
That's true. That's a great
What would you say?
question.
Dude,
You started from
Trying to get
0 subscribers.
Yeah.
Look at how this is a crazy turnout. What do you want to say to this?
I don't know, bro. I
This
just
is
feel
someone's
like,
dream, bro. This is your old version of yourself. This is your dream.
I know this is like my prayers right here. You know, like I've prayed about stuff like this. But now it's just like be yourself, bro. Just like have fun with it. Like don't take it too serious, but you know, add some seriousness into it. And just I don't know, bro. Just I don't even know what to say, bro.
Just be you. Just be you.
Yeah,
Just be you.
like be you. Have fun with it. And you don't gotta fake anything, bro. Just like be yourself. People like connect with you, and man, that's what it's all about.
That's all, man. Just be you. All right, man. Yeah,
Be you.
congratulations, bro.
Hey, shout out to being you.
Shout out to being you.
That's it. So
Shout
this,
out to you and only you.
this is what happens when you be yourself, guys. When you be yourself, you buy cars and you have them revealed here at Premium. Oh yeah, no, it's just a dog, bro. What's going on right here, dog?
Everyone thinks it's unveiling, but no, the dog popped up.
Yeah, dog popped up, bro. You like that dog?
That's not even Stimmy, dude. I don't know.
That's
who
Wimmy.
Yeah.
That's Timmy. It's Stimmy and Timmy. That's not Stimmy, man. That's Timmy. But we still love the guy. We wrapped that truck Premium. Come on,
What up, big? What up, big dog? Hello. Are you ready or what? You ready? Where's Mike Borges?
So we got Daniel right here, the shop owner. This is literally Premium right here. What do you think? He just showed up.
Yeah.
But what do you think, man?
Wow, this is crazy. So I've only seen photos on Instagram for the day, like what was going on. I had no idea there's so many people here.
Dude,
So this is crazy. You got a good turnout, bro. I want to say something about this guy right here.
you're
Super
gonna make me emotional,
humble, super like just chill. Working with you, bro, has been amazing. So to do the project that we just finally got to do together, because I tried to work with this guy for like 2 years. 3 years I've been trying to get at him. So we're here now.
Dude.
And Chris Gorgeous. Right? The car's gorgeous, bro. Just wait. Let's reveal it.
How should we do it?
Let's pull the tarp.
Pull the
Hey,
tarp?
does anybody want to volunteer? Anybody want to pull the tarp with us? All right. I'll leave it.
3, 2, 1.
Just like that, end of the vlog. Event was amazing. A lot of people showed up. But more than anything, like just doing a project with Chris, doing our first one together, getting our feet wet, because I don't think it's gonna be the last one. Just working with Chris, very, very cool guy. So if you don't follow him already, we'll link his Instagram below. He has a YouTube channel, it's popping right now. So I'm really, really happy for the guy. But to be here working with him, it's just a whole nother level. Really, really good dude. So I can't emphasize that enough. It's always nice working with amazing people. So Chris, shout out to you, bro. Thank you for bringing the Mustang. I hope you guys loved it. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.